Received today from Marks Electrical Samsung fridge freezer, model number RB38T605DB1. It's a family fridge, very spacious inside. It's not a black finish, it's a metallic charcoal black. Very spacious. I'll just show you inside the good bits. Some big space inside. Everything that will fit in the fridge. The only thing I don't like is the plastic hinge at the top right there. Metal at the bottom. And there's a back plate which is missing by the compressor, which I don't like. Slightly a bit noisy than usual. Had an LG before that, which was very quiet. Only lasted 2.5 years. This comes with a 5-year warranty with Samsung, which you have to register within 90 days. But overall, very nice fridge. Any questions, just drop me a message. I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for viewing.